horses down. We have okay. Approved as the begin. Moving up party outside now. Mind that wind. Scotland Yard is racing in third. Donnery inside. Sail Street. Money Queen. Be My Queen and Mamika in that order. And going along for the first turn, we have Mind that win by about 3 lengths. Okay, approved now in second. 5 lengths away in third, Scotland Yard. Money Queen is racing in fourth. Moving up now, Wimpy, Mamika, Sail Street. And Be My Queen trails the field by about 8 to 9 lengths up the pace. Meanwhile, we have Mind that win by Oraling. Okay, approved in second. Scotland Yard remains in third. Money Queen, Donnery inside fourth. Mamika is racing in fifth. Sail Street and Be My Queen. Mind that win by only half a length. Okay, approved is Scotland Yard. Now trying to get closer in third. Donnery inside fourth. Money Queen, Mamika. Mind that win, Scotland Yard. Okay, approved. Money Queen moving up in between horses as they come down to the last 150. Scotland Yard takes the lead. Money Queen now wins second. Okay, approved. Mamika. But it's still Scotland Yard by about 2 lengths. Money Queen is on the outside. Scotland Yard. Money Queen moving up on the outside. But it's still Scotland Yard. Money Queen close. Mamika, Be My Queen. Then comes okay, approved.
47153. 11 yung forecast.